my name is George. I got to go race my Escort. Woohoo! I got a very fast Escort. Ooh, here it is. Ooh. Oh no! Oh no! This has got too big. I cannot fit. Oh, how I get in? I can't get in. Oh, okay. I'm going to go. I know. I might go become. I know. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go become a top fuel driver. I'm going to race top fuel up. Oh, I cannot fit. I'm still too big. I sit up here. I go racing my top fueler. Broom, 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 broom. Bye. Very fast.